baka, come side by side. D is for dada, let's climb up high. E is for endrika, see the sky. Alphabet adventure, come along. Sing this catchy alphabet song. From A to Z, we'll have some fun, learning letters one by one. F is for fahasambarana, feel so free. G is for gadra, fly like a bee. H is for hava, look at the trees. I is for iray, like ocean breeze. Alphabet adventure, come along. Sing this catchy alphabet song. From A to Z, we'll have some fun, learning letters one by one. K is for jamba, never give up. K is for kilasy, raise your cup. L is for lalao, I'll play and run. M is for mamy, sweet as the sun. Alphabet adventure, come along. Sing this catchy alphabet song. From A to Z, we'll have some fun, learning letters one by one. J is for jamba, never give up. K is for kilasy, raise your cup.